Hey everyone, we are in Tubigon Elementary School up in the mountains of Santa Cruz. Now this school doesn't have any electricity, they have solar, and recently through one of our wonderful partners we were able to install, you can see it back there, a Village Biosand system so the children here can have potable water. Why is that important? Well, because around the world, children from infancy to 5 years old have the highest mortality rate because of diarrhea, iggy. And it's a problem. And so when children have bad bacteria because they ingest water that's not good for them, it affects the absorption of food. And so we found that in the Philippines, many of these rural schools have feeding programs where they measure the height of the children and how much they weigh, because malnutrition is a problem for learning because it affects their little minds. And so we thought, hey, how can we make a difference in the Philippines? So Clean Water International has partnered with wonderful sponsors, international, local, so we can bring clean, potable water to your school. So your tubig can be limpio and safe. And that way you can stay in school. You're not missing school because you're at home experiencing sickness because of bad water. So we're very, very happy to be here. Anytime I get out into a school, into the rural areas, this is my happy place. So salamat kaayo to all of the teachers and staff and school head and Department of Education, to the local barangays, to the district, to everyone that's making a difference in these children's life. Why? Because we believe in every child's right to clean water.